Dogecoin, brought into the world from a web image, has developed into a genuine computerized money with a lively local area, pushed by its script calculation for openness and a remarkable inflationary model. With a culture of magnanimity, microtransaction capacities, and a famous image persona, Dogecoin stands apart as an easy-to-understand and socially critical cryptographic money. On the off chance that you're searching for Dogecoin cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Dogecoin Doge will go from here on out, we will investigate the previous costs of Dogecoin Doge and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Dogecoin outline. Dogecoin is a digital money that began as a happy joke in light of the well-known Doge web image highlighting a Shiba Inu canine. Notwithstanding, what started as a diverting idea before long picked up speed, and Doge turned into a genuine computerized cash with a functioning and energetic local area. Sent off in 2013, Dogecoin works on a decentralized and open-source blockchain, similar as Bitcoin. Extraordinary highlights. Local area generosity. Doge's people group has a prominent history of magnanimity. From supporting NASCAR drivers to supporting worthy missions, the Doge people group has reliably exhibited a pledge to offering in return and having a beneficial outcome. Adaptability for ordinary use. With its low exchange expenses and fast affirmation times, Doge is appropriate for regular exchanges, tipping, and microtransactions. This makes it an appealing choice for clients searching for a common sense and easy-to-use cryptographic money. Social symbol. Doge's relationship with web culture and the Doge image has changed it into a social symbol. This one-of-a-kind marking plays had a huge impact in separating Doge from other cryptographic forms of money. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogecoin is 0.1N226 and Doge is at present positioned #8 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Dogecoin is 144,139.6 with a market cap of $17,671,981,736. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 21% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Dogecoin is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Doge is down to nearly 1982% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Dogecoin value expectation number cruncher. Our Doge expectation number cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models investigate a huge swath of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give a complete forecast of Dogecoin. Essentially input your ideal time period and see the possible anticipated worth of Dogecoin. Our mini computer will produce an exhaustive rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. We foresee future Dogecoin cost expectations. Doge conjecture by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Dogecoin. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Dogecoin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Dogecoin market cap, Dogecoin volume, and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Dogecoin value forecast rundown. Our Dogecoin long-haul estimate for 2050 proposes Doge possibly going somewhere in the range of $129.78 and $145.37. Constant information shows Dogecoin is exchanging at $0.1N226. The cost of one Doge would reach as high as $0.2709 by 2025. Experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2030. With costs possibly coming to $1.78 mark. The typical extended cost for Dogecoin in 2040 is supposed to be $97.79, with expected fluctuations somewhere in the range of $92.47 and $108.44. Dogecoin value forecast 2024. According to the Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 0.1E550. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.1 in 763 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.5099. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2025 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of dollars between 2 and 43. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $709 with the typical exchanging cost of $3.23. Doge value figure for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2026 the cost of Dogecoin is determined to be at around a base worth of $163. The Dogecoin value worth can arrive at a limit of $902 with the typical exchanging worth of $279 in USD. Dogecoin Doge Value Expectation 2027. The cost of one Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least degree of $647 in 2027. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $10.55 or 97 with the typical cost of $4,811 all through 2027. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. Dogecoin cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.6956 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $233 with the typical gauge cost of $0.7097. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $102. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.13 with the typical worth of $106. Dogecoin Doge Value Expectation 2030. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at least degree of $150 in 2030. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $178 with the typical cost of $155 all through 2030. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2031. Dogecoin cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $219 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $60, with the typical estimate cost of $25. Dogecoin Doge Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at least worth of $318 in 2032. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $381 with the typical exchanging cost of $337 all through 2032. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $463 in 2033. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $562 with the typical exchanging cost of $480 all through 2033. Dogecoin Value Estimate 20